Okay, so now that you have everything set up, it should work. So if I go to slideshow and I go to the beginning and hold on a minute. All right, and then we are going to go to from beginning. So now if I click on my sound and I hit the play button, and now if I click, 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 so it shows you that it will work. So you can go ahead and do that. Once you are done with it, you have to do exactly what you did in assignment 1, and you have to go to File, Share, Share with People, and then you need to put in my name, and you can put Baby Shark, and then hit Send. And that is what you have to do for assignment 2 this week. If you have any problems or questions, please message me. If not, I hope to see you guys soon.